Welcome back. This video consists of less filming and more of some more pictures. I got a bit carried away and just didn't film really. So as you can see here, I refurbished the alloys. This was done by myself. I sanded them down, put some filler on, and then sprayed them with a base coat, and then sprayed them again with a clear coat. I did it a couple of shades darker as I just think it looks a bit better. I also fixed a puncture in one of the tyres. I then moved on to some bodywork before I put the bumper back on. I did a headlight washer delete and basically filled over and covered up where the headlight washers would be, as I just think it looks cleaner without them. I then sanded the bumper down and prepared it for paint. I then sprayed the paint on the bumper, but as you can see I had a bit of a paint reaction. I think it was the right colour, I just don't think I mixed the paint well enough. So I need to redo that in the future, but I left it for now as I just wanted to get the car running. So the final steps before the car went for its MOT was to get the windscreen fixed. So I think I paid £180 or something to get the new windscreen fitted. This included like coming to my door and everything. The final issue with the car before its MOT was the running of it. It doesn't run correctly basically. So the new injectors, new to me injectors came, so I fitted them, and this is the car running here. As you can see, it doesn't quite run properly, and I think it's something to do with the timing of the engine. So I got the car trailered to a local Audi VW specialist, and we'll update you in the next video on their result of what they say.